any single word of criticism to the governor.
But you did not also volunteer your help.
Because they did not seek my help. Because naman pwede itang aluwayan kinampihan ko, ba't magdaka lang magagaling ken. Dila detang lagyong Archie Reyes, detang lagyong Abe Lakindan, mga galing la rin, they don't need the Ross Bienson in the Capitol. So ngeni, but when the very supporters of Governor Panlilio started their criticism, some started turning their backs, gilutan da ni, retang financiers, retang avid supporters, there must be something wrong ako. But ako pa mo rin magsalita. But then, magin na lang concrete deng accusations. Magin na lang concrete. Para ka na ako tatambo sa IQ. Public office is a public trust.
Of course.
When that trust starts to erode, people should take notice. People and the citizen should take an initiative to arrest that trust. Lalo na nung ining pagkatiwalan mong elected leader mo, keng perception dareng daka, lalo na rin makatuki kaya, yarugo makiramdam keng mga santing advice, ampong suggestion. Governor Panlilio, in my view, alayang kakargan political color, anyang luklukya. So, of all leaders of Pampanga, iya yung pekamasanting diling umpisa para kaulanan lang din hanggang elected leaders.
Okay.
He could have extended the hand of cooperation. Keng vice governor, board members, deng mayors, and down the line. Uling din they also deserve some respect because they are mandated by the people also. Binoto dala rin kabalenda rin. Puri na sabihan, pagkatiwalan dala naman din. O ba't mo pwedeng pagkatiwalan? But instead of extending the hand of cooperation to these sectors, who are also vital in governance, he started pointing an accusing finger to everyone. Obstructionist, non-cooperation. So, the public trust has started to erode. So, ing meto nga citizen, atin niyang karapatan nga ni na i-check na itang sitwasyon. Tutu, ing meto nga miyalala, local official, he will be elected for 3 years. But that is not absolute. In the middle of your term of office, nung ating maging problemang lultuan, visible, alam mo, perceived problems, the citizen can exercise their right for recall.
Okay. Why recall? Not a call for resignation or a call for reform?
Well, call for resignation is harsher than recall.
Okay.
Call for reforms, masanting itang call for reforms But they have been calling for reforms to the governor from day one na magkaroon ng problema.
And so he was not listening to
He was not listening. So itang call for reforms, it is falling on deaf ears.
Okay.
Sabi do, tela mag-dialogue. They've been dialoguing Baluta mo. Mag-dialogue na lang closed doors. Mag-dialogue na lang open doors. Mag-dialogue na pang open air. Maka-televise buong Central Luzon. At the end of the day, more division, more misunderstanding. Makananuta mo.
So you think that by mobilizing the Kapampangan, through a recall procedure, we will be able to force him out of office.
In a democratic country like ours, maka-enshrine keng Constitution, ampok ang Local Government Code, which was revised and then ating Linwell Comelec Resolution 75005, ako makain-kaya keng batas, na the citizens have the right to initiate a recall proceeding.
Okay.
On grounds of loss of confidence. Yamo itong makakabit keng batas, loss of confidence mo. But siyempre, potang mag-file kang petition, it should be supported by details. And one of these details, which is very significant and important, at least 10% of the registered voters of the local government unit should sign the petition that will be filed in the COMELEC.
So which is now ongoing?
Which is ongoing. We are in the process of gathering signatures.
How many signatures have you gathered so far?
Well,
in terms of percentage?
I do not want to divulge the gains of our movement. We intend to gather 100,000 signatures in less than 2 months.
Okay, so we've heard Ross Henson, who's advocating for recall, and now we have another guest who's advocating for another
form. Reform niya kaya or resign? We shall know in a while. Sige po, please help us in welcoming the Executive Vice President of the Advocacy for the Development of Central Luzon, or ADCL, Mr. Sunny Dobles.
Good evening, Tatang Sunny.
May pabengi kayo at kareki katamong kabalan na Manalbe. May pabengi po kayo.
Okay.
O, mo na pwedeng pilyan ng recall.
Obat
Naning
resign.
kulait, naning sigaw na nining ADCL. Reform or resign?
Resign kami.
Resign. Why?
Resign. Kami pareho batayan kitang kang Mr. Ross Bianson. Medyo galing kang politika, pampamanungkulan ng sasabihan. Kami kasi developmental link kaming direksyon. So niyang tagalya mong ikit ni kasi niyang bayo yung eleksyon. Alang malilyari kang Pampanga. Ikami kaya patugot mag-advocate para ma-develop yung buong Central Luzon. At kakakitin yung pekasento ka rin niya pining Pampanga.
Pero tatangsani, unlike Mr. Ross Bihenson, sinuporta ka kang kay kang
Yes, sinuporta kami. Ako, actually, Angeles ko pero talagang may support kami.
May ngampanya ka talaga.
May ngampanya kami. Pero munta lang nila rin dati ming network, kareng dating organisasyon na Pakibayan Mi. Talagang may goal out kami.
Ba't na ano mangyari? Ba't you are calling for his resignation now?
Tapin, balikan kaya. Kami kasi uling mag-advocate kami for development. So, at malulungkot kaming malambat na yung Pampanga lang malilyari. Yung totoo makanya yan Anyang gawan din concept na ng Global Gateway na yung backbone na yapin itang Subic-Clark-Talac Expressway.
Right.
So, bala mo, gawa data para ma-develop yung buong Central Luzon. So, may ka-workshop bawat provinces at ginawa lang development plan. Ding ikit minyang dulutan mila rin at tinalaray nga liwa. Itamo mo nga la. Makakarina naman sabihin itamo alatan development plan for Pampanga.
Did you call the governor's attention to this?
Kanita? Kanita pa.
Naalata mo? May ngaliwatin lang.
Ewan naman
What was his
Kasi,
response?
ala talaga.
Tatangsani, wari kanitang nilukluk ya. The first thing that he did is to convene the Provincial Development Council.
Ay nga man alin yung pingaman ako niyang bayo ya.
Bayo ya. Okay.
Bayo ya. Uling kasi niyang gawan dito ang expressway. Subigla, kalay pa naman
Okay. Wow.
So malulungkot kami kanitang milabasan na governor siya kung banggit talaga yun na alang talagang development plan for Pampanga. So, anyan kay, ngayon, sabi mo yan. Ini baka sakali kaya ni Ami. Kasi manualan na kami, na kami manualang uling dating mayor, o dati ang pangamakanya para maging magaling niya.
Alayang political color.
Jojo Binay, kaluklok na bilang mayor kay Makati, pagaling niya talaga kay Makati. Ikit mo naman, So, dating mayor yan, Biglang kabud niya maging mayor kay Makati. Kanya kami manuala kami ng tao nung ating malinaw prinsipyo, ating dyan yung direksyon ating yung vision, at ating yung mission, imposibleng malyari nga yan.
Okay.
Pero munong ala, O kaya talagang M19 dyan. So, ito, anyang kaluklok na, kami naman mo, siguro masyado kaming agresibo, may balo nung isto kami, may kamali kami ganta, kaming si Mr. Romero, may supporta kami, kaya ba't niyang sumambot tambing na kaming ginawang Provincial Development Agenda.
Okay.
Talagang tinapin na yung NEDA, DTI, ganaganang agency na makapag-support, binumi na ito.
Okay.
Anyang mayari, ginawa kaya pang masanting bagyang introduction kaya taking Max Restaurant king sa San Fernando. So, linatag miya kayo itang development agenda. Masanting yan, po kaya
Okay.
So, hanggang milabas yung panahon, kabud niya masanting. Itang kaya kaming...
Alang milyari, in short.
Itang papel niya mo hanggang yan
No, kanya may punta itang papel.
O ito yung tabalo.
Did you make follow-ups?
Yes.
Usually, it's all about following up.
Ulit lang may sasabi, parang na yan po iyamong.
Iyamong yan.
Aliwa pa ito, dakal kami sa suggest, uling dakal kami, para sa development kasi, kaming ADCL, dakal kaya pakialaman ming agriculture, isipan mi na manalamig kwalta rin hortelano, mo itong masenso, may kwalta, So, potang sasabihin nila kaya, bala mo, tatango naman
Okay. So that the call now of ADCL partner is for the governor to resign.
Yes, kasi ikit mi nung yung meto nga manungkulan keng impression mi nala akakwaring masanting ming kapag nasa nagawa na para masenso yung meto probinsya. Namin dalhin no tasyo ka rin. So nung manaya kaming malambat na panahon ng timoy tang alwa sabi pa panayan mayaring term na nga.
Wapin.
Kami kasi, advocate kami, excited kami ma-develop Well, bala mo makasabagal yung mga manungkulan para masenso yung balayan.